Water-resistant case. Water-resistant, IP67, crushproof, and dustproof protection for your iPhone, cell phone, camera, GoPro or other portable electronics and valuables. IP67 certification equals water-resistant for 30 minutes when submerged at 3.3 feet. Features. Automatic pressure equalization valve, balances interior pressure to keep water out, rubber liner that delivers O-ring watertight protection, carabiner included, stainless steel hinge and latch pins, easy open latch. Dimensions. LxWxD, interior 8.25 by 4.25 by 2.25, exterior 9.88 by 5.59 by 2.63. Made in USA. Trusted protection in use by the military, divers, first responders, fire, police, EMT, since 1976. Guarantee of excellence. Comes with Pelican's lifetime guarantee of excellence. Great for rugged sports not for swimming or submerging. Water-resistant, crush-proof and dust-proof. Rubber liner for extra protection doubles as O-ring seal. Automatic pressure equalization valve. Stainless steel hardware. Top reviews from the United States. A mini portable Pelican case? Why not? For $30, why would you not have one of these things? Instantly make your wallet, keys, phone, or any other small portable object virtually indestructible by placing it in this case. It has a built-in pressure regulator just like the big boys, and even a nice silicone shock-absorbing skin to keep things from rattling or bouncing around. I've had one of these cases for years, taking it on rafting trips and up mountains, and I just bought a few more for various other purposes. It's a great case at a great price.